Okay, part two of the demonstration. Now your episode has uploaded. We'll see this now. With the episode being uploaded, we see the episode here. We can go ahead and do these things that you actually need. You need a title and you need a description of some sort. So let's just name the title podcast 24 so you can see it. Description. I would put here anything that you want audience to know before the video. It's kind of like when you see a movie trailer and you look at it on TV sometimes, or if you're watching Netflix or whatever you watch, you'll see that there is like a 2 sentences of a show note or what it's going to be about. You can make this long or short. I would say if you offer or sell anything, go ahead and throw it in there as well. You can publish it now or you can schedule it. I'm going to schedule it to show you how it looks. I have the date, the year, I have the time. I recommend posting at the same time each week or however frequent you do it so that your audience knows when to come back. If you're swearing, you're going to click yes. If you're not swearing, you're going to click no. If you're promoting or selling things from a third party, you're going to click yes. If you're not, hit it no. This next screen is going to be your preference. If you want to be asking questions for your fans and your Spotify account, you would go here or a poll. I don't do that. But then if you do that, you can go ahead and fill that out. After you're going to hit next. And you see the show right here, whatever episode you just recorded. You see the description, the published date, the things that we just went over. It's reviewing to make sure everything is right. If it's not right, you would hit back. And then I would just go ahead and click schedule. And it's going to be uploading for that date. Now, if you copy the link, you can send it to your people or you can post it on your social media accounts that they allow you to have. With that being said, you're going to want to consider if you want this episode or these episodes to be something that people want to hear frequently, right? You could be making this podcast just as a journal, or you could be making it because you want people to hear it. And that's a great way to share it. I always recommend that. So there you have it. You've uploaded your episode and you will repeat the process each time you want to go ahead and upload an episode that you've recorded.